Flooding caused by the rain that continues to pour in the northeastern part of the country has led to loss of property and death. In a dual tragedy, flash floods have claimed 14 lives, prompting urgent warnings from the area's regional commissioner, John Otieno. Simultaneously, victims of floods at the Madogo campsite in Tana River County are living in a dire condition, with families facing starvation. Faith Muli with more details.
Northeastern Region Commissioner John Otieno has revealed Mandera is the hardest hit area, with 7 people reported dead due to drowning. Wajir has recorded 5 casualties and Garissa 2 victims, all succumbing to similar circumstances. Concerned about public safety, Otieno has cautioned against crossing flooded roads, emphasizing that all victims lost their lives through drowning. He specifically highlighted the perilous nature of the Garissa-Mandogoshe road, urging residents to avoid it.
We are along Garissa-Mandogoshe road, and the road has been severely affected by the floods. The road has been cut off. You cannot move from Garissa to Mandogoshe.
Otieno disclosed that approximately 30,000 people have been displaced across the region. Urgent relief supplies, including food and non-food items, are needed, but accessibility remains a challenge. Elwak Town in Mandera South and Buna in Wajir North have been identified as severely affected towns. Currently, the Red Cross has initiated the delivery of non-food items to internally displaced people in safety camps. Otieno has, however, commended the county governments of Mandera, Wajir and Garissa for their support to the displaced individual, adding continuous effort until normalcy is restored.
In the entire region, 14 people have lost their lives. And this is particularly caused through drowning. So I'm cautioning the members of the public to avoid waterlogged areas.
Meanwhile, the Nairobi-Garissa-Wajir route faced disruptions as the road at Malimin was destroyed, leading to stranded passengers. Frustrated travelers called on the government to swiftly repair the roads for seamless traffic movements.
Nilikuwa naenda Wajir, tunaona barabara mvua imenyesha. Barabara imeharibika, gari ipitiki na tumehangaika, tuko na watoto.
Kwa hivyo mimi ningeomba serikali iangalie maslahi ya wananchi. Sisi tunalipa ushuru, kila kitu yote, contractors wanapewa kazi, ama mwenye anapewa ile kazi angaliwe ni mtu wa aina gani, ako na experience ama ni mtu tu sababu ni binadamu. Sababu sasa wakipea mtu ako na experience, atakuwa anaona hapa mvua in case ikuwa mingi maji itakuwa juu, atakuwa anainua barabara juu.
Elsewhere, survivors at the Madogo campsite in Tana River are in dire situation, decrying of starvation and thirst after floods ravaged their village in Mororo. The 300 households sheltered in the camp claim they have not had anything to eat for 3 days since seeking refuge.
Mimi kwanza ni kilio wangu kwa mama na watoto, wanateseka sana. Jana tumelala kwa mvua imetuishia kwa mwili yetu. Usiku hatuna mahali kulala, tumeomba kwa majirani tukapeleka tukahifadhi watoto. Watoto wako kwa shida sana. Baridi, hatuna manyumba. Tunaomba watu wa Red Cross wamesema watuletea hema. Tunaomba watufanyie bidii watuharakishie hiyo mahema itufikie. Kwa sababu saa hii tuko nje na mvua itanyesha wakati wote.
Sisi watu wengi wanafanya kazi Garissa town. Sasa kutoka huku mahali tunahamishwa na kwenda huko transport we can't do. Hatuwezi hiyo transport, ndio maana tumekaa karibu na Garissa ili tupate support ya kutembea hapa na pale, tuangalie chakula tutapata nini, watoto watasoma vipi. Hata hapa mahali ambao tumeletwa saa hii kuna laga hapa imeua jana mtoto. Wengine wameseviwa jana, hakuna boti, wameseviwa na mikono.
The victims are now appealing to the county government, national government and donors for urgent assistance as more families seek shelter at the safety campsite. The County Department Special Programs Project Coordinator, Sokorote Lulutia, acknowledges the dire situation and assures that non-food items will be distributed by the end of the week.
Wacha tungangane na sisi kama lead team ya serikali yote tunajaribu kushirikiana na washikadau wote ya kwamba hili janga at least tuweze kulimanage na tutaweza tukiwa pamoja.
Despite rescue efforts, more than 2,000 families have been affected by the calamity, resulting in the loss of lives, livestock, and damage to infrastructure. The County Red Cross coordinator, Gerald Pombe, warns that the situation may worsen in Tana Delta, where rescue operations are underway in the village surrounded by water. Faith Muli, Hope TV News Watch.